Are your eyes closing up? Dude, I feel like I'm nugget drunk right now.
Some of the greatest heroes of the human race have emerged from the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. However, none compared to the behemoth of a villain we face today, 120 McDonald's nuggets. In order to face such a steep task, humanity called upon the most brave and ambitious champions the human race has to offer.
What are we doing?
All right, 120 nuggets. Alexa, start a stopwatch.
Okay, stopwatch started.
All right, here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, 120 nuggets.
How many do you think you're gonna get?
60, obviously.
60?
Mm-hmm.
I guess I'll do 60 then.
So I think it's important to give some background. You have quite the nugget background, yes?
Yeah, I eat them every week, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Go-to meal.
Whenever this man makes chicken nuggets, he dumps a whole mountain of them into the air fryer. So I'm hoping these skills come into play today.
They would give you 5 at a time in the dining hall. I think I got to like 40.
40?
I think.
Oh, so you're gonna be fine. I knew I made the right selection of person for today.
It should be. And you had to keep waiting in line.
Mm.
These are all at once.
So we're actually both really hungry because we went to the gym about an hour and a half ago and haven't eaten since. And also only ate sushi today, which isn't the most filling food. I also meant to do a 100 nugget challenge, but I accidentally duplicated the 20 nuggets, so I almost ordered 180 by accident as well. So I'm glad. Oh no, it would have been 200. Yeah, it would have been 200. So I'm glad that didn't happen at least.
We would have needed Brant. David Katzenberg.
Yeah, we need a third man for sure. David, get your butt over here and eat some nuggets. How many nuggets do you think we could eat in 10 minutes? The three of us.
3 of us?
Mm-hmm.
We're mashing them in the water and shoveling them in your mouth. 10 minutes? I'm putting down like 60, I guess. Casual.
Light work.
And this poop is gonna go crazy.
I also don't really eat fast food. I haven't eaten McNuggets in quite a while. So my body's gonna be destroyed after this, so.
Yeah, same. I would never fill my body with this stuff.
Show stopwatch.
4 minutes and 53 seconds elapsed.
Okay.
My glorious King Braun comes and sweeps me off my feet and takes me to Ring 5 in LA, Game 7.
Another thing to add, Jordan has self-labeled himself as the LeBron of eating chicken nuggets.
The GOAT.
So we should see that today.
I should have worn my all-white suit like LeBron on draft night. 2003, bro. Time to be alive.
And a little bit of buffalo sauce. It's over.
Cool.
You feeling it? Yeah.
Like, oh, not really.
Must be nice.
Are you full?
I'm not full, but my stomach's starting to feel a little weird. Like the fast food weird. Like the, I'm about to go nuke this bathroom.
Yeah.
Weird. No, not that.
If you were to guess how many you're at right now, what do you think? I didn't keep track, but
Honestly, I think I'm at a lot. I'm like trying to move it. 20,
I think I'm around like,
maybe? I don't know.
I was gonna say like 25.
We still got
I hope it's
stacked
not at
over
like
here.
18, and I'm gonna be like, I'm thinking I'm way ahead.
Mm-mm.
We take the whole bird, brother.
Hell you, great bucket.
Was it 3?
That was a free throw.
Oh, I don't need that.
If you didn't see, go check out my short. I got to high five Kelly Oubre on the way out to the at halftime. Okay. I feel the brick forming in my stomach.
I don't feel that bad. It's just so dry. Want some chop? Want some?
I think when I slow down, my stomach's gonna fill up so quick. All right, Super Bowl coming up.
Yep.
What are we thinking? Predictions and what do you want to happen?
I'm running out of glorious kings, bro. Mahomes is gonna come. He's gonna drop his big mixed nuts on Brock Purdy's face.
Mm-hmm.
And Debo Samuel is gonna tear. That would be crazy. Tear everything.
Huh?
His knee is mine. No, wait.
This man stays preying on injuries. There's no way. That's crazy.
Chiefs all the way, man. I mean, I hope. I don't know.
I feel like it's better if we just let the Mahomes dynasty keep building,
Yeah,
as opposed to giving
everybody
the Niners
loses
the
to
Super
him.
Bowl. Yeah,
He'll be fine.
it's just the normal thing to do.
Mhm.
Plus, Andy Reid is a goat. You see the video of them getting him a hamburger?
I did. In the shoebox. That was gonna fall apart, but it just
Yeah, he like shook it and stuff. I was like, oh my god.
maybe it's fake.
Yeah, could be.
But he went into a big fat frenzy, like the big daddy he is. It ate the whole box. Dude, we're making a dent though.
Dude, I'm starting to fill out. Whew. Alexa, show stopwatch.
14 minutes and 46 seconds.
Oh, people do 110 minutes, dude. That's crazy. Oh.
I don't think that water helped. That just soaked up everything. Now it's so heavy.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think the water was a problem. Dude, I'm not going to be able to poop. What
Why?
do you mean, why? I'm hitting the wall.
But then think about this: when you're gonna be, I gotta burp. I'm gonna do it. Could you imagine? Could you imagine if I did it right now? I should do it. Throw Yak and Rally.
Subscribe now.
So the beer mile, it'll have come out by now. But the beer mile video that I did with my brother, the whole time in his mic, he's just burping and like belching. I like didn't want to include too much of it because it sounds a little gross, but I definitely threw some in there. So if you haven't seen that, go watch that. It's an absolute banger, I promise.
I feel like we're doing it. Dude, what if we finish?
Dude,
and
that's
it
still
turns-
so many nuggets. If we get 100 though, I'll be happy with that.
I mean, like what? That's like.
I feel like we're pretty close.
I
This is what we have left.
mean, I'm pretty full. Like out of 10, how full are you right now?
Like a 9.
Mm.
Like an 8.5 maybe. It doesn't feel good.
I'm not uncomfortable yet. I'm like a 7. Wait, let me see. What about standing
You're
up?
not uncomfortable
What
yet?
about stand up? What about? See, you gotta stand up.
I'm not standing up again.
Come on, you gotta stand
No,
up.
it's not happening. This was a bad idea.
I was gonna say we should talk about
Valentine's Day?
Gaza. You team Israel or what?
I was gonna ask you the same thing. Anyway.
You know what? You're right. I am full.
20 minutes and 49 seconds elapsed.
Very nice.
After this, I probably won't eat another McNugget for the year. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna force you.
Guys, I'm slowing down.
Dude, I'm tired, man. I think that's
I'm
what it
really
is.
tired.
All right, now just try the legs. Okay, stopwatch. Let's see how many we can eat in a minute.
No
Yeah,
way.
see, it'll liven it up. We'll do a competition. Skibbity toilet. Stop breathing out hard in the mic. I can hear it. I can hear it. All right, let's go.
What do you mean, let's go? Where are we going?
59 seconds. Let's see. Well, I didn't start yet. I didn't start it. All right. On your mark. Wait, I gotta burp first.
I want to die.
All right. On your mark. Get set. Go. It's longer to do this than I thought. I'll double it.
I'm feeling shit.
Who's gonna carry the boats? Everything in your mouth counts. You can just. We got 5 seconds. All right, 3.
I got 2/3.
All right. Well, of 1.
Yeah, run that shit back.
All right then. You ready?
Yeah. This time I'm ready.
I'm gonna throw up. Oh, so bad. Dude, the counter better be something good. Without knowing the counter, I feel like I haven't eaten that many.
You haven't.
Yes, I have.
Look at the counter. I'm beating you by like 20.
I have to go even further beyond and show you the true meaning of what it means to be the LeBron James of chicken nuggets.
I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. The beer mile was way easier than this, I'm gonna be honest.
I think we're gonna get there. I think we can do it. But I'm gonna throw up as soon as the video's over.
36 left.
So we're still 16 off of 100?
How do people do that in 10 minutes?
I told you I could have if I was trying.
Alright, show me now. Show me some. Show me some, 21.
Alright, stand up. Go ahead and see if standing up helps. Look, let me walk around. Let me see how I feel.
I expect my teammate to uphold their end of the team.
Actually, I identify as him, not there. 'Cause I'm him.
I'm putting that in. Yes, I am.
Are you actually speed eating like that?
Yeah, I've already eaten 60.
You were like doing you bite them. You don't eat them all at once.
I've already eaten 60, dude. All these are yours. These nuggets disgust me. I'm not built for this.
What if I throw up?
Dude, that's on my mind. That's 2 videos in a row where I'm almost throwing up. Stupid beer mile on this.
I'm at 25. I did it. I'm halfway.
Why did I turn into Stephen Hawking in your impression?
You're so drunk. Well, I mean, you know Stephen Hawking gets it in. Like, he's a huge summer guy. He loves his snorkel.
Are we almost at 100? I don't even want to count.
10, 15.
We're 7 away.
7 away.
We fight for the good of humanity. Think of how many lives they're saving by eating these chicken nuggets.
Yeah. Whose lives?
Jesus.
Eyes burning.
Dude, I'm also feeling like that.
Are your eyes closing up?
This is terrible.
Here. Yo, what if we both OD on chicken nuggets?
It's,
right now?
yo, maybe we're just salting out right now.
Oh.
The sodium warning's got us.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, see, that's why you gotta drink some water. Alright, look. Dude, I feel like I'm nugget drunk right now.
I also feel like that. This is terrible.
Is that?
I didn't even know this was a thing.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling kind of. You feel a little.
Tipsy?
Yeah, or like lightheaded?
Yeah.
Wait, what's going on? I don't like that.
I don't know if I can eat more.
Wait, I don't think. Am I supposed to eat more? Why?
I don't know.
Why? It's not from like the sodium, right?
I don't know.
Like. Mic test. Checking. Checking. Mic checking. Mic, I'm checking the microphone. I am testing the microphone. Let's see. Even if you're 80 nuggets ahead, I need my teammate there with me. Okay. You know what you need? You need a Celsius. Use code JC in the chat and get 30% off.
The last part of this video is going to be so much pain.
Think of David Goggins, right?
Yeah.
Think of his nice, smooth skin shirtless.
What?
The logs and whatnot. You got to lay some logs. Lincoln logs. Abraham Lincoln.
I mean, if I'm lucky.
Abraham Lincoln.
Dude, my stomach feels terrible.
Abolish the slaves. It's Black History Month. We eat chicken. Maybe that's why I'm better than you right now.
Jordan, I'm about to outro this vid, bro.
No, we're not done. We have to get to
how
100.
far? How many? Alright, last nugget. Wow, that tastes terrible.
You
Get
really
me out
gonna
of this
let me
challenge,
get
get me out.
the last nugget, bro?
You want? Oh, we broke 100 then.
Let's get to 105.
No, no.
You know that. We can do it.
Oh, okay. Not bad. 100 down.
20 to go.
I'm not eating 20
Come
more.
on.
Okay, this has been the 100 Nugget Challenge. Thank you guys for watching. I feel
you
terrible right
and
now.
all of you.
Jordan is nugget drunk and I don't know what's going on. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time and peace.